This video will review the settings menu option within RapidGO. We will begin by tapping on the settings option. Towards the top, we can see that there is a server field. This field is used to connect your device with your server. If this field is blank, you can scan in the QR code sheet that was shipped with your devices to populate it with the server URL. Alternatively, you can manually enter this. If you do not have access to either the QR code sheet or your server URL, reach out to your care team and they will be able to help you. Below the server field is the company field. This is where you define which company, live or practice, that you would like to work with using RapidGO. Tapping on the field, we can see that I only have one available. Below the company field is the Refresh Local Database button. This button is to be used to pull in new item data that might have been added while you were using RapidGO. For instance, the creation of a new item. Tapping on it, we're prompted to confirm. If we select yes, we could see that very briefly, it synced up the item data from the local database. The speed in which this happens is entirely dependent on how large your database is, i.e. how many items you have, as well as your network speed or internet speed. Below the setup, we can see the inventory field. Warn when quantity entered is over. The default value in place is a very large number, and this is for a good reason. This prevents the accidental scan-in of a barcode when you're doing a cycle count or looking up an item, or adjusting the price. This prevents setting the count or the price of an item to the barcode, which could be in the billions. We recommend not touching this field unless necessary. Below that, we can see the default adjustment type. Currently, this is set to no default. Tapping on this field presents us the following options. We could have the default adjustment type set to decrease, increase, or reset on hand. We will leave no default as the default. Lastly, the line busting field. Default line busting document type. This is currently set to hold, or a hold ticket to recall in touchscreen. Alternatively, you could tap on this field to bring up your options. We can set this as a hold ticket or an order. When you're done with the changes, tap the Save button.